So in this quick tutorial, you will learn how to straighten artboard in Adobe Illustrator. So you can see my artboard is not straight, it is rotated from its original place. So I need to fix this. First of all, go to the zoom tool here, right click and choose rotate view tool. The shortcut key to select this tool is Shift plus H. Now just left click and move the cursor. So you can see when I click and drag the cursor, you can see my artboard is rotating according to a specific angle. If I want to straighten my artboard, then I will have to set this at 0 angle. If you are facing problem selecting 0 angle, then press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding the Shift key, our artboard will rotate at 15 angle. Now I can easily select 0 angle and I am easily straightening my artboard using Shift key. Another method to straighten the artboard is go to View menu and choose Reset Rotate View. The shortcut key is Shift Ctrl 1 on your keyboard. Here you can notice another option, Rotate View. You can rotate your artboard at your any specific angle. You can also straighten your artboard at 90 angle or choose any your desired angle. Go to Reset option to reset your artboard. If you select the Artboard tool here, now in this Properties menu, you can see Portrait and Landscape option to quickly change the orientation. The quick way to straighten or rotate your artboard is this option below here. You can rotate or straighten your artboard in no time. Or simply press Shift Ctrl 1 on your keyboard. So I hope you have learned how to straighten artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.